Hey guys, it is me, Copyright PvP, and today we're gonna be doing the first video of my new channel. That's called Copyright PvP, and you guys may know me from Captain Jamel, that old channel. The reason I deleted that is because I hadn't subs, and I was getting a lot of hate, and I just wanted to start off fresh, like really fresh. And I guess I'm gonna have to do a lot of hard work because I was inactive there, and I almost quit MC just because of that. I found new games, that's why I wasn't active, if you guys are wondering. And yeah, so this is my new channel. Hope you guys, this is my first video. Hope you guys show some love, and I don't know what else to say actually. On my old channel, there was really good things and really bad things, but whatever. And yeah, okay, we got that one. Okay, so yeah, it's my new channel, and hope you guys really enjoy it, because I'm gonna be working hard on this. I'm gonna be like doing a lot of games out there also. So don't expect like daily uploads. I'm gonna be uploading when I can, and yeah, so don't expect daily uploads all the way, and I'll try because it's my first video. And yeah, I got a new skin made by TND. The reason I'm making a new channel, you guys don't know, is because I already told you guys, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm trying to work on my commentary. So yeah, I'm trying to work on my commentary. If you guys think I'm good, I don't know. Give a thumbs up though. Yeah. So yeah. It's my first video. I gotta get some GFX. I think I already have some ordering GFX. And yeah. So just hold me. I'm ordering some thumbnails and everything. So yeah, I'm ordering GFX, channel art, profile picture, and all that good stuff like thumbnails and all. And yeah. So I don't know if this is the end. How did I fall there or whatever? I don't know if this is the end of the video because I'll have to go soon. But nothing less, thank you guys for supporting me all the way here. Like my old channel, I got really good support, and I didn't really care about the haters just because I had active subs. And I'm trying to get to what's called get active subs on this one. So yeah, I'm trying to be good as I can. Try to be funny, try to be good commentating, try to get wins and everything. So yeah, this channel is it, guys. Copyright PvP, what an original name. But whatever, someone already has it, I'm not sure of. Screw them. Not literally though, but yeah. Thank you guys I just can't thank you enough for supporting me all the way here as I am today. The reason I've been doing YouTube is because of you guys. I don't know if there's like what's called, just people that just sub. Like, yeah, I hate this guy with the subs. I think you guys all were like, oh, this guy is pretty cool, because like 200 people hate that button. But yeah, I have to take that channel, but whatever. It's not really a big deal. I'll be trying to get back the old-fashioned way by recording, doing a good video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.